What's up, guys? Today we're gonna learn how to make this game. Today we're gonna learn how to make this game, okay? First, you guys gotta make your own character. It's your choice. Make your character like this, any kind. Just make your character simple, it's your choice. You can make your character simple, hard, easy, medium, but yeah. And then if you're adding a key, go and get the sprite for the key, press this mouse button, get the sprite and put it on this guy. And then boom, you got a costume where he's holding the key. And here's something I want to tell you for the lasers. Make sure you add like the lasers, make sure you duplicate the lasers by right-clicking on it. And then you see the laser, delete the laser, and delete that laser on your second one, and then you're good. So yeah. And then it's your choice, but you can make some walls. And here's how to make your walls sturdy and make people not go into them. Make it so when it's clicked forever, if touching the character, switch the backdrop to 3. You know what? When you're making a game, you should make a backdrop that says game over or you win. Because what's a point of a game when it doesn't have a you win or a you lose? That's a game over. Here's the code for the First you just gotta make this. First you just gotta ignore all the other code. First you just gotta make this. I think you could copy this. This is all in events and motion. So if you could copy that, that'd make me happy. Okay. You could always go back to this part of the video, so yeah. You want to make it so when you click the green flag, it shows itself and it glides to here. And it switches its costume to this costume. Because you don't want it to have a key. That's bad, because then you're just going to go up to the key, and then boom. You already have the key, so what's the point of the key? But, yeah. The code for the key is when green flag clicked forever, if touching the player, broadcast message 1, and then it's gonna hide. And then look, when the player receives message 1, it's gonna switch its costume to costume 2, and it's gonna broadcast 2. Look, this is costume 2. I actually forgot what broadcasting 2 does. Wait. Just gotta check. Oh! Wait. Broadcasting 2? Oh, it doesn't do anything. You know what? Broadcasting 2 is for nothing. So yeah, here's some. You could copy this code while I play the game. There. You got the key. Now you just gotta go. And try not to touch the walls. Try not to touch the walls. Because then, I already told you. Well, that's an error. That's an error for the game. You gotta, well, you don't want an error for your game, because that's bad, but, you wanna say, like, you wanna you want to tell the green flag, so when it's clicked, it switches to level 2. And it's your choice, but you can make a level thing. This is the thing that counts out what level you are in. And I'll put it, I'm going to make it tiny because it's better. It's your choice if you want to make it ginormous. Not mine, but yeah. And so yeah, you can make the walls and then duplicate the walls by right-clicking it, obviously, by pressing duplicate. And then after you're done duplicating it, do it like what I did. But if your walls are big like mine, just try to fit it out of the screen. Connect it to the laser, just try to fit it out of the screen. And yeah. And make it so when you click this button, the sprite, it opens this. And that's a really cool feature, okay? That's a really cool feature. And then you can click on the money, and it's your choice, but you'll have to go into Google. You have to go into Google and search any like picture you want. Like you could search bus. Go into images, and then boom, you can download a bus. Yeah, you can download a bus. I just got. I'm sorry about this. The thing's glitching. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry about this. Yeah. I gotta go back. Gotta go back. I'm sorry about this. I'm really sorry. It glitched. Yeah. You can always rewind the video. Like, you can always go back. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry that my computer glitched. Today was a good day. But, I'm sorry my computer glitched. I'm really sorry. You can always go past this part of the video because it's very long. Okay, now we can go back to coding. So yeah, don't mind that, but so yeah. Yeah, you want it? Yeah, that's good. This is part 1 of how to make this game. So this is part 1, so you can go and see the next part the next day, okay? So bye, and have a good day.